Google Chrome has just launched a new update called Google Lens, where you can search for anything you see on your screen. You can search within a video that you're watching, a slide in a live stream, an image on a web page, or anything that is trending on social media and you just want to know more about. So recently there was this trending little fluffy rabbit bear looking soft toy that was so popular because Lisa from K-pop group Blackpink was holding it. So my little niece was telling me about this cute little very popular soft toy, but I had absolutely no idea what she was talking about. Well, now that I know, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Google Lens to search for anything you see on your screen. Open the Chrome menu. Select Search with Google Lens. Select anything on the page by clicking and dragging anywhere on the page. Refine your search by typing in the search box in the side panel. For example, I want to know more about what this fluffy rabbit toy is about. An AI will generate an explanation. So now I know this toy is called Labubu. For future quicker access, you can click on the pin icon to add to your toolbar. So, if Labubu is so popular, of course I have to get myself one, right? So this is a blind box from PopMart, which is sold online, and you have a chance of getting these 6 adorable colors, and then you have a secret. So let's see what I've got here. Hopefully I get the secret. The odds of getting it is 1:72, I think. Oh, I got a green apple. So let's see how it looks like. Okay, not too bad. It's pretty cute. So if you enjoyed content like this today, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Until the next video, my name is Steph. This is Labubu. Take care and bye bye.